third softphone that I'll be showing you looks quite different to the first two. This softphone is a floating window. I'll just hit the login, put my details in. Okay, and we're logged in. An agent can see their current status by the colour of the shirt of our little person here, and that same picture is also replicated down in the taskbar, where they can click to control certain features of the phone. The menu is also available here. They can click on the little person to show them the configuration details that Genesis has them stored as. And we can go ready and not ready with recent codes again. This softphone also has a phone book. It appears up to the right here. Again, this one has groups that entries can be defined into. This one can also be filtered on whether the type of number is an individual or a person, or whether they are a queue. In this phone book, an agent is also able to identify a particular record as a favourite of theirs, and they can add it to their own personal list of favourite phone book entries. And to dial any number from here, they would simply select it and click the call button. The phone book can also be separated from the softphone. Click that so that we have our favourites there. Make that a bit smaller. And the phone book. I'll just reattach that. There we go. And I'll just pop a call into the system. There's the call ringing, and it pops up with data that is attached to the call that was picked up through the IVR, and I'll hit the answer button. Okay, at any time, if we need to review that information, we can click on the paperclip, which identifies to the agent that there is information attached to this call. During the call, we can show the keypad to again enter DTMF, and place the call on hold. To make a phone call, we can just type in a number. And you'll see that the call control buttons here update depending on the status of the phone calls that we're involved in. So at the moment, our first line is on hold, talking to the customer, and the second line is talking to another agent. So we will transfer this call to the other agent, and we're now in the wrap-up state. And in this state, we have to enter in a wrap-up code and submit it. By submitting the code, we're now automatically placed into the ready status so that we can take the next call. That code will have been stored in the Genesis Infomart database for this customer, and reports can be run on that later on. This softphone as well has a few different features. We can change the colour of the display, and whether the phone book is separated or not. To exit this softphone, the agent can either just log out. That way the softphone can stay on the screen. Or if the agent chooses to shut down this way, they will be asked to confirm whether they would like to log out and shut down.